Hi everyone, I'm Norada and this English lesson we were going to study the pronunciation of S endings. So simply, word ending in S ending are so common in English. For an can end in S. Pronoun noun can end in S. Contraction can also end in S. So it's very important that you know how to pronounce the S at the end of this word. And there are three words that the S can be pronounced. It can be S, Z, and is. So now, let's look at the sample the rule for using. Let's start with ending sound. For example, speaks, sleeps. So the rule is you need to use the sound for word the end in an on voice consonant. Speaks, sleeps. Now let's look at the z ending sound. For example, dreams, sings. So the rule is you need to use sound for word and end in a voice consonant. Dreams, sing. The third one is, basis, chance, and causes. So the rule is you need to use is for S ending. Thanks for watching.